Congress MP Manish Tiwari on Wednesday claimed that the COVID-19 vaccination drive is not going on properly and alleged that the government is giving more strength on the export of vaccine rather than inclusion of the country's citizen. The Trinamool Congress on Wednesday demanded the cancellation of the nomination of BJP candidate Suvendu Adhikari, who is pitted against West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee from Nandigram, as his name also seems to appear in the electoral rolls of both Nandigram and Haldia Assembly constituencies. India's women team head coach W.V. Raman on Wednesday said his players lacked game time and were short on mental stamina and cricketing fitness as the hosts were blanked 1-4 by South Africa in a 5-match ODI series. To top the emerging second peak of COVID-19 immediately, India's need to take quick and decisive steps, said Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday during a virtual meet with Chief Minister to discuss the prevailing COVID-19 situation and the vaccination drive in the country. An Indian Air Force pilot was killed after an MiG-21 Bison aircraft on Wednesday crashed while taking off in central India. The Delhi High Court Wednesday granted last opportunity to the centre and Delhi police to file their response on a plea by climate activist Disha Ravi for restraining the police from leaking to the media any probe material in the relation to the FIR lodged against her in the toolkit case. The government on Wednesday informed Parliament that there is no proposal with the IT Minister to set up a regulator for social media. The United States on Wednesday identified 24 more senior Chinese officials it classifies as being instrumental in questioning Hong Kong's freedoms, as it warned foreign banks were now banned from doing any business with them.